Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Ben Cartoon 91 here, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. So I finally got the camera that I've been wanting for the longest time. I've been talking a lot about it recently, especially since like August to now, which is when I've really been wanting it, and it's the Sony a6400, and I ended up picking that up on eBay for a pretty good deal in my opinion. I got it without a lens, so I am still going to use the stock lens that's currently on this camera, which is a Sony a5100. But eventually I do plan to upgrade to a nicer lens. I just couldn't afford one at the time. Before we go any farther, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Helps out a lot, and it takes only a few seconds out of your day. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, let's see what I picked up. Alright guys, so this is everything I picked up in that bundle I was talking about. So let's start out with probably the most boring. We just have a little strap right here so that it can go around your neck, and if you ever drop your camera, it stays safe. Right here we have this little charging brick, so you plug your cable into here and then you plug that into your camera to charge your battery. Right here we have an extra viewfinder piece. So I probably won't be using this, but it's nice that they included an extra one. So over here we just have a manual. I probably won't take a look at that either. Then right here we have a battery and the charging cable. So since I already have one of these from my Sony a5100, I will now have two batteries, another charging cable right here. And then last but not least, we have the camera itself, the Sony a6400. So as you guys can see, a6400 4K, which I am super excited to record my videos in 4K. We have the knob here to change it. We have the LCD flip-up screen, one of the bigger deals about the a6400 that the a6500 and a6300 didn't have, was a flip-out screen. And then we have all the buttons and stuff. I will learn more about everything on here. We have a custom one and also a custom two. And yeah, we have a flash right here, you know, all the good stuff that you would expect from a camera. And the three main things that I really wanted out of that camera was one, a flip out screen, two, 4K, and then three, last but not least, I wanted a mic jack. Even though now I have the Shure SM7B and I just sync the audio in post, I really wanted that when buying a camera. And this checked off all of those things, and it even has really good autofocus, which is just a bonus. Alright, so the only real accessory I have right now is the Rode video mic. So originally I had this for my iPhone when I used to record on my iPhone, but since then, obviously about a year and a half ago, I think now I upgraded to the Sony a5100, which doesn't have a 3.5mm jack. So I wasn't able to use this, but I held on to it just in case I got a camera with the 3.5mm jack, and obviously now I do, so I cannot wait to use this, even though I will still be syncing up the audio in post with the Shure SM7B, which is what you guys are listening to right now. I will have this just in case the audio corrupts or I need to do something like a room tour where I kind of go vlog style. There are some other things I want to pick up, like a cage, more lighting, a nicer lens. The lens I really badly want is a Sigma 60mm lens. So eventually I will pick up those things, but obviously I just spent a large amount of money on this camera and I don't really have any money to buy anything else. So yeah, let's go try and do a test recording on that camera and see how it looks. Alright guys, so now this is the Sony a6400. I am not sure if it looks as good as the Sony a5100 even. It is in 4K, but that is the only thing I've changed about the settings. I do still need to go mess with the ISO and all of that. So this should be recording at 4K, 24 frames per second. I don't know if this video will upload at 4K, since in the beginning of the video, when I was recording with the Sony a5100, this only records at 1080p. It does not record at 4K. You can see the camera rig it's set up on. So I have the camera, and I'm even using the Rode mic, just in case this mic gets corrupted, like I said. So let's actually see what that sounds like. So now this is the actual sound of the Rode video mic going into Sony a6400. And now this is the sound of the Shure SM7B going to my PC, and then I put it together in post. Tell me which one sounds better to you guys. If this one sounds better, I could sell this, get a new lens and stuff, so we'll have to see. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little new upgrade. This should really improve the quality of my videos. I'm so excited to have 4K now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, hit that sub button. It helps out a lot. It only takes a couple of seconds. Go comment down below some other video ideas, what upgrades I should make to my setup for Rode My Dream Gaming setup. And also, go follow me on Instagram, Twitch, and Twitter. All the links will be down below. And if you guys are interested in any of the gear that I use, there will be a link down below. Next to the link, it should say My Gear. Just click on that and it will bring you to a page, and all of my gear will be listed from my PC to my video recording gear. Make sure you guys go check out that link. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Stay safe. Peace.